टू सारिका स्टडी अकेडमी। तो आज क्लास 6 का सेमेस्टर 2 लेसन नंबर 10 मोशन एंड मेजरमेंट ऑफ डिस्टेंसेस, ठीक है। तो इसके वर्कबुक के सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे और मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ, इसमें यूट्यूब में अगर वीडियो आपको जल्दी चाहिए, तो अगर चाहिए होंगे तो आप पहले मेरे फेसबुक पेज पे जाके आपको मिल जाएगा, ठीक है। वहाँ पे मैं पहले डालती हूँ, उसके बाद यूट्यूब पे होता है, ठीक है। तो अगर आपको जल्दी चाहिए तो वहाँ से आप ले लीजिए। एसएस एकेडमी करके मेरा फेसबुक पेज है, वहाँ पे आप फॉलो कीजिए और वहाँ पे भी आपको ये सारे के सारे सॉल्यूशन अच्छी तरह से मिल पाएंगे, ठीक है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं इस वीडियो को। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, चूज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शंस। फर्स्ट पॉइंट है, विच टाइप ऑफ रेलवे इंजिन्स वेयर invented in the beginning? The answer is A, steam engine. Second, which of the following is not an invention from the 20th century? The answer is D, good train. Third, which of the following is the largest unit of length? The answer is B, kilometer. Fourth, which of the following unit of length is smaller than a centimeter? The answer is A, millimeter. Fifth, which is the standard device to measure length? The answer is C, meter scale. 6. Which is a practical unit of measure the distance between two cities? The answer is D, kilometer. 7. What does the tailor use to take measurement your body? The answer is B, measuring tape. 8. Which of the following motion is executed by a fruit falling from a tree branch? The answer is A, rectilinear motion. Point 9. What is the type of motion executed by the blades of fan? The answer is C, circular motion. 10. The invention of which of the following modes of transport made space travel possible? The answer is C, spacecraft. 11. What do you mean by supersonic plane? The answer is B, fighter plane. Question 2. Filling the blanks. First, invention of the dash made a great change in mode of transportation. The answer is wheel. Page number 91. Second point, a train running on single rail is called monorail. Third, dash is the SI unit of length, meter. The answer is meter. 1 meter is equal to dash millimeter. The answer is 1000. Fifth, the unit of length used to measure the distance between Ahmedabad and Mumbai is dash kilometer. 6. The unit of length used to measure the thickness of a table glass is dash. The answer is millimeter. 7. The unit of length used to measure the length of the window of your classroom is dash meters. 8. 1 meter is 100 centimeter. The answer is 100. 9. 5 kilometers is 5000 meter. The answer is 5000. 10. The wires of guitar execute periodic motion. The answer is periodic motion. 11. Motion of the child on a swing is periodic motion. The answer is periodic motion. 12. Motion of the needles of a sewing machine is periodic motion. The answer is periodic motion. 13. Motion of the wheel of a bicycle is circular motion. The answer is circular motion. Question third. Answer the following question in one word. First, which mean of transport was used to travel along water routes in ancient time? The answer is boat. Second, which mean of transport is used for air travel? The answer is aeroplane. Third, what are the planes that travel at the speed more than that of sound called? The answer is supersonic planes. Fourth, convert 7450 meters in kilometer. The answer is 7.450 kilometers. Fifth, what is the type of motion executed by the wheel of a scooter? The answer is circular motion. 6. What type of motion is executed by a child sitting in a merry-go-round? The answer is circular motion. 7. Which are the unit of length used to measure the thickness of the scale found in your compass box? The answer is millimeter. How many meters are there in 1 kilometer? The answer is 1000 meter. How many centimeters are there in 2.5 meters? The answer is 250 meters. How many centimeters are there in 1.65 meters? The answer is 165 meters. पेज नंबर 92 क्वेश्चन 4 ट्रू फॉल्स है. इसमें फर्स्ट है किलोमीटर इज द एसआई यूनिट ऑफ लेंथ. द आंसर इज फॉल्स. सेकंड, अ फ्लाइंग बटरफ्लाई परफॉर्म rectilinear motion. The answer is false. Third, the pendulum of a clock execute periodic motion. The answer is true. Fourth, the earth perform rectilinear motion around the sun. The answer is false. Fifth, a flying kite always perform rectilinear motion. The answer is false. Sixth, a child sitting in a merry-go-round perform circular motion. The answer is true. 7, millimeter. A millimeter is smaller unit than a centimeter. The answer is true. Question 5. Answer the following question in one sentences. First question है, give one example of rectilinear motion. The answer is motion of the stone falling freely from a certain height is an example of rectilinear motion. Question 5 का question 2 है, what kind of motion is performed by ball rolling on ground? The answer is a ball rolling on ground perform both circular as well as rectilinear motion. Question 5 का question 3 है, what kind of motion is performed by the hands of clock? The answer is the hands of clock perform circular as well as periodic motion. Question 5 का question 4 है, in ancient time, what did people use to measure the length? The answer is in ancient time, people used the body organs like finger, first, handspan, footstep to measure the length. Question 5 का question 5 है, which device does a cloth merchant use to measure cloth? The answer is a cloth merchant uses a meter rod made of steel to measure cloth. Question 6 है, answer the following question in short. First question है, we cannot measure the length of an object accurately by using handspan, hand and footstep. Explain. The answer is length of handspan or footstep vary from person to person. Some people have longer hands and feet than other. Hence the measurement of same object when taken by different people will be different. Hence we cannot measure the length of an object accurately. Question 6 का question 2 है, why is standard unit of length needed? The answer is in ancient time people were using finger, handspan, hand and footstep to measure length. The result to measure the length could be different as the length of your handspan and that of your friends may not be the same. The standard measurement do not change from person to person. Hence standard unit of length is needed. Page number 93 question 6 का question 3 है, how will you measure the length of a pencil using scale whose zero end is broken? The answer is in first point, to measure the length of pencil by the help of scale whose zero end is broken, we will place one end of the pencil at the mark of 1 on the scale. Second, we will note the mark on the scale on which the other end of the pencil fall. Third, finally we will subtract 1 from the reading and get the real length of the pencil. Question 6 का question 4 है, which units of length do we use in our daily life? Give relation between them. The answer is meter is the standard unit of length. Unit of length that are smaller than meter are centimeters and millimeter. Kilometer is bigger than meter. The relation between different unit of length, 1 centimeter cm is equal to 10 millimeter mm. 1 meter m is equal to 100 centimeter cm is equal to 1000 millimeter mm. 1 kilometer km is equal to 1000 meter m. 1 lakh centimeter. Question 6 का question 5 है, give to example each of mode of transport used on land, water and air. The answer is modes of transport used on land: bus, scooter, train. Modes of transport used on water: boat, ship. Modes of transport used in air: aeroplane, helicopter. Question 6 का question 6 है, the distance between Radha's home and her school is 3250 meter. Express this distance into kilometer. The answer is, we know that 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. So 3250 meter is equal to 3250 डिवाइडेड बाय 1000 किलोमीटर. तो ये 0 और ये 0 निकलते तो 3325 अपॉन 100. तो यहाँ पे ये 325 के पीछे से 2 नंबर छोड़ के आप डेसिमल पॉइंट दोगे तो ये आंसर आपका 3.25 किलोमीटर आएगा. ठीक है. 6 का क्वेश्चन 7 है, राइट द सिमिलरिटीज एंड डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन द मोशन ऑफ बाइसिकल एंड सेलिंग फैन that has been switched on. The answer is similarity. Both the wheel of the cycle and the blades of the ceiling fan are in circular motion and rotate about a fixed axis. Difference. Bicycle shows rectilinear motion whereas a ceiling fan does not. Question 6 का question 8 है, give two examples of periodic motion. The answer is, two examples of periodic motion are as follow. First, motion of the pendulum of a clock. Second, motion of swing. Classify the following cases into rectilinear motion, circular motion and periodic motion. Question 7 का आंसर है, rectilinear motion में लिखना है आपको, motion of an arrow released from bow, bell ringing by wind, motion of water drops falling from tap. सर्कुलर मोशन में लिखना है, मोशन ऑफ अ चाइल्ड सिटिंग इन अ मैरी गो राउंड, मोशन ऑफ हैंड्स ऑफ अ क्लॉक, मोशन ऑफ बाइसिकल व्हील. पीरियडिक मोशन में लिखना है, मोशन ऑफ अ पेंडुलम, मोशन ऑफ चाइल्ड, मोशन ऑफ चिल्ड्रन सिटिंग इन अ सीसॉ, मोशन ऑफ हैंड्स ऑफ अ क्लॉक, मोशन ऑफ बेल रिंगिंग बाय वाइंड. पेज नंबर 95. मैच द फॉलोइंग. सेक्शन ए बी. स्टीम इंजन, फर्स्ट का सी आंसर है ट्रेन. ऑटोमोबाइल, सेकंड का ए आंसर है बस. वाटरवे, थर्ड का डी आंसर है बोट. और रोप वॉकर वॉकिंग ऑन द रोप, तो 4 का बी आंसर है रेक्टिलिनियर मोशन. क्वेश्चन 9, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन डिटेल. इन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what care will you take in measuring the length of any object? The answer is, in measuring the length of any object we need to take the following care. First point, place the scale parallel in contact with the object along its length. Place one end of the object carefully at 0 mark of the scale. Second point, observe the other end of object and the mark on the scale where it ends. Correct position of the eye is also important for taking measurement. Your eye must be exactly in front of the point where the measurement is to be taken. Question 9 का question 2 है, explain different type of motion with example. The answer is, different type of motion are as follow. First, rectilinear motion. The motion in which an object moves along a straight line is called rectilinear motion or linear motion. For example, a bullet fired from a gun. Second, curve motion. The motion in which an object moves along a curve is called curve motion. For example, the motion of an ant. Third point, circular motion. The motion in which an object moves on a circular motion. For example, the blade of movement fan. Fourth point, periodic motion. If an object repeats its motion after a definite interval of time the motion of the object is known as periodical motion. For example, motion of a pendulum. 96. Question 9 का थर्ड क्वेश्चन है, how will you measure the length of bent iron rod? The answer is meter scale cannot be used to measure the length of a bent rod. It is measured by the help of a thread. Hold one end of the thread at one end of the rod and then keep moving the thread along the length of the rod. Make a mark on the portion of thread which comes near the other end of the rod. Now measure the length of the thread from the end to the mark. The reading that you get is the length of the rod. Activities. In first activity, to measure the length of a table using handspan as a unit, apparatus and material table. Procedure में देखते हैं. First point, use handspan of your and your friend as a unit. Second, ask two of your friends to take the measurement of the table in terms of their handspan. Third, take strings length equal to your handspan and then fractions of this string length to make the measurement. Record your observation in table 10.2. Measuring width of table. Who measured the width of the table? Number of handspan. Raman 6 half handspan, Mahesh 7 handspan, Suresh 6 handspan, Jagdish 7 1/4 handspan. Conclusion. The length of the table measured by each of the friends is different. Activity 2 है page number 97. To identify the object at rest and object in motion. Procedure है, make a list of the objects you have seen and the living things around you. Second point, observe which amongst these are moving and which are at rest. Note down your observation in table 10.4. Object at rest and in motion. Object at rest, object in motion. House, a flying sparrow. Table, seconds hand of a clock. Clock, a flying mosquito. School bag, flying butterfly. Ball, fish swimming in water. Desk, a moving train. Book, a running horse. Conclusion. Object moving from one place to another are said to be in motion, whereas the object which do not change their position are said to be at rest. T3, page number 97. To understand circular motion, apparatus and material, the answer is stone, piece of thread. Procedure. First, take a small piece stone. Second, tie it with a piece of thread. Third, whirl the stone with your hand. Fourth, observe the motion of the stone. Observation. We see that the stone moves along a circular path. In this motion, the distance of the stone from your hand remains the same. Conclusion. A stone tied to a thread when whirled execute circular motion. ठीक है, तो इसी के साथ इस वीडियो में ये चैप्टर यहीं पे खत्म होता है. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के साथ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय.